What's up, guys? We're diving deep into the world of photography today, not just the picture-taking part, but the whole shebang, turning your passion into a thriving business. Starting a photography business can be both exciting and challenging. That's why we're breaking it down step by step to help you build a strong foundation in photography, both as an art form and as a business. We're talking about mastering the technical stuff, finding your unique style, and navigating the business side of things. So grab your gear, because we're about to embark on a journey that will transform you from a photography enthusiast into a confident business owner. First things first, we got to lay the groundwork. Photography is all about capturing light. That's where the exposure triangle comes in: ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Think of it like the holy trinity of photography. ISO controls your camera's sensitivity to light. Lower ISO for bright sunny days, higher ISO when it's darker. Aperture controls how much light enters the camera. Shutter speed determines how long your shutter stays open. Fast shutter speed freezes motion, while a slow shutter speed creates motion blur. Composition is king. Rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry. Experiment, break the rules, and find what resonates with you. And don't forget about post-processing. Editing software can take your images to the next level. All right, let's talk gear. You don't need the most expensive equipment to take amazing photos. A DSLR or mirrorless camera is your weapon of choice. Choose what feels right in your hands. Next up, lenses. A versatile zoom lens like a 24 to 70mm is perfect for everyday shooting. A sturdy tripod is your best friend. Memory cards and extra batteries, always have spares. Lighting equipment can take your photos from good to wow. Now that you've got the basics and the gear, it's time to put in the work. Photography is a skill that takes practice, dedication, and a whole lot of patience. The key is to shoot every single day. Treat it like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Experiment with different settings, compositions, and lighting conditions. But don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Join photography groups or communities online or in person. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion. Critique each other's work, share tips and tricks, and get inspired by different perspectives. Don't limit yourself to one genre of photography. Step outside your comfort zone and try everything from portraits and landscapes to street photography and macro. You never know what you might discover you love. Your portfolio is your calling card, your chance to make a killer first impression. It's a curated collection of your best work that showcases your unique style and skills. Start by shooting personal projects that you're passionate about. This is a chance to let your creativity shine and experiment without limitations. Think outside the box and create images that tell a story. Collaborate with other creatives. Reach out to models, stylists, makeup artists, and other photographers. Collaboration not only helps you build your network, but also pushes you creatively. Create a website or online portfolio to showcase your work professionally. Keep it clean, easy to navigate, and make sure your contact information is readily available. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Create a dedicated Instagram account for your photography and share your best work consistently. Engage with your followers, participate in photography challenges, and use relevant hashtags to get discovered. While it's awesome to be versatile, finding your niche can really set you apart in the competitive world of photography. What are you passionate about? What kind of photography gets you fired up? Do you love capturing the raw emotions of a wedding day? Wedding photography could be your calling. Or maybe you have a knack for making people look their best. Portrait photography might be your jam. If you're obsessed with architecture and interior design, real estate photography could be a great fit. Or perhaps you have a passion for food styling and capturing mouth-watering shots. Food photography might be your thing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different genres until you find the one that truly resonates with you. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, something that lights you up creatively. Remember, specializing doesn't mean limiting yourself. All right, time to put on your business hat. Turning your passion into a profitable business requires more than just taking great photos. First things first, get legal. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate your business legally. Register your business name and get an EIN if necessary. Create a solid business plan. This will be your roadmap to success, outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Speaking of pricing, determine your worth. Research industry standards, but don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Factor in your time, skills, and expenses. Draft client contracts for every shoot. This protects both you and your client, outlining the scope of work payment terms and copyright agreements. The learning never stops in photography. There are always new techniques to master, trends to explore, and ways to push your creativity further. Online courses and workshops are a fantastic way to learn from established photographers in the comfort of your own home. Platforms like Skillshare, Creative Live, and Udemy offer a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Attend photography workshops or conferences to learn from the best in the business. These immersive experiences offer hands-on training, networking opportunities, and a chance to connect with like-minded individuals. Consider finding a mentor in the photography industry. A mentor can provide invaluable guidance, feedback, and support as you navigate the world of professional photography. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your education. In a sea of photographers, how will you stand out? Building a strong brand is crucial for attracting your ideal clients and establishing yourself as a professional. Start by choosing a catchy and memorable business name that reflects your style and niche. Your name should be easy to pronounce, remember, and find online. Develop a visual identity that represents your brand. This includes your logo, color palette, typography, and overall aesthetic. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent online presence. Your website and social media accounts should have a cohesive look and feel that reflects your brand identity. Consider creating physical marketing materials like business cards, brochures, or even branded merchandise. These tangible items can leave a lasting impression on potential clients. It's time to put yourself out there and start landing those paid gigs. Don't be afraid to start small. Every job is a stepping stone to bigger and better opportunities. Freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru can be great platforms to find your first clients. Create a compelling profile, showcase your best work, and bid on projects that align with your skills. Network locally. Attend industry events, join photography groups, and reach out to businesses in your area that might need photography services. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly valuable. Offer special promotions or discounts to attract your first few clients. This could be a free print with every session or a discounted rate for referrals. Remember, building a client base takes time and effort. Congratulations on launching your photography business, but the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it's just the beginning. The photography industry is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Attend workshops, follow industry blogs, and experiment with new techniques and technologies. Upgrade your equipment as needed to stay competitive and deliver the highest quality work. This doesn't mean you need to buy the latest and greatest gear, but invest in equipment that will enhance your capabilities. Build strong relationships with your clients. Communication is key. Respond to inquiries promptly, be professional and courteous, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Ask for feedback from your clients to understand their needs and improve your services. Happy clients are more likely to become repeat customers and refer you to others. Let's talk about the not-so-glamorous but oh-so-important aspect of running a business, managing your finances. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks to track your income and expenses. This will make tax time a breeze and give you a clear picture of your financial health. Send professional invoices to your clients that clearly outline the services provided, payment terms, and contact information. Consider using online payment platforms like PayPal or Stripe for easy and secure transactions. Set aside a portion of your income for taxes. As a self-employed photographer, you're responsible for paying your own taxes, so it's crucial to plan ahead. Consult with a tax advisor or accountant who specializes in small businesses. They can provide valuable guidance on tax deductions, business expenses, and financial planning. And there you have it, guys. We've covered a ton of ground, from mastering the technical aspects of photography to building a thriving business. Remember, starting a photography business requires a combination of creativity, technical skills, and business savvy. By following these steps, you can develop a solid foundation and build a successful photography career. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on things, experiment, and find what works best for you. Now go out there, create stunning images, and build the photography business of your dreams. I can't wait to see what you achieve.